Booleans are the simplest of all the data types because they only hold one of two values. So a little bit like binary in the sense that something can only be 0 or 1, a Boolean can only be true or false. And you make a Boolean by writing true or false. However, you need to capitalize the first letter. So you can see that's gone orange. Write false, you see that's not gone orange because it's not a Boolean in Python unless I capitalize the first letter. So then I could print a message saying, I don't know, you are alive. And just for being different compared to doing the format, I'll do that and I'll write alive. So as I mentioned in a previous video, you can in print statements use a comma to separate different parts as well. So when I run that, it says you are alive, false. And obviously if I change that to true, this might seem quite useless in your learning at this point. However, we will use Booleans quite a lot when we are proving things right or wrong, and they're quite an important part of programming. And when we do print type on this, alive, you will see it says it's a bool, which is the same as a Boolean.